...2018 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class review. With its comfortable ride, superb engines and chic interior, the SL-Class can be an outstanding convertible. On the heels of a major update recently, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class Roadster maintains its top position inside luxury convertible segment. Of course, all 4 engine options provide prodigious power, plus the SL-Class adaptive suspension digests the bumps and excellent agility in the event the road gets twisty. But it's the integration, these sporty attributes using a plush and quiet cabin, and a few choice luxury features, that produces the SL-Class the gold standard for luxury convertibles. The SL-Class power attractable hardtop comes using a glass roof, that is further optioned through an electrochromic feature that utilizes an electric current to regulate its opacity because you want the scene without the contact the elements. Alternately, Mercedes' air scarf system blows heat from the bottom of the headrest and keep necks warm on those top-down drives when you desire just a little exposure. And an energy retractable wind deflector mitigates buffeting when top-down cruising at highway speeds for conversations and minimal hair tussling. There are sportier convertibles available. If that's what you wish, go and visit Mercedes' own AMG GT, perhaps. But for a specialist balance of both luxury and sport, nothing is better versus the SL-Class. What's new? The 2018 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class is unchanged apart from some minor changes to standard feature availability. Fears no bad pick. Can't decide. The SL550 represents a great middle ground. It's got the Boffo V8 power you likely expect using this class of car, but is much more affordable compared to AMG versions. Add the driver assistance package due to its additional advanced safety measures. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class is usually a 2-seat convertible which is a power-folding hardtop and is particularly available in 4 trim levels. The base SL450 is powered by the turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 362 horsepower, 369 pound-feet and sends chance to the rear wheels by using a 9-speed automatic transmission. The SL550 ups the power having a turbocharged 4.7-litre V8 449 horsepower, 516 lb-ft. The AMG SL63 comes using a bigger turbocharged 5.5-litre V8 577 horsepower, 664 lb-ft, a 7-speed automatic and special performance hardware and styling elements. Finally, the AMG SL65 tops the group featuring its turbocharged 6.0-litre V12 621 horsepower, 738 lb-ft as well as the 7-speed automatic. Standard features for that SL450 include 19-inch wheels, an electrical windbreaker, LED headlights and running lights, automatic high beams, headlight washers, automatic wipers, a panoramic sunroof, front and back parking sensors, forward collision warning and mitigation, keyless entry and ignition, selectable drive modes, as well as an adaptive suspension. Inside, you obtain dual-zone automatic climate control, an electric adjustable leader, sun-reflecting leather upholstery, power-adjustable heated seats, a navigation system, voice controls, Mercedes Embrace emergency communications, the command infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 USB ports, plus an 11-speaker Harman Kardon sound system which has a 6th changer and satellite and HD radio. The SL550 adds AM-branded 19-inch wheels, an electrical trunk lid with hands-free activation, a mechanical parking system, the air scarf neck level heater, and ventilated seats with active side bolsters and massage functions. The AMG SL-63 gets to be a high-performance drive and suspension settings, active body control which mitigates body roll while cornering, upgraded brakes, a limit slip differential, unique AMG gauges along with AMG-themed aesthetic flourishes, a dash-stop analog clock produced by International Watchgo, upgraded leather upholstery, and also a simulated Seward headliner. At the top from the SL food chain may be the AMG SL-65, which gets staggered diameter wheels, 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, adaptive LED headlights, the Magic Sky Control electrochromic dimming roof, soft closing doors, adaptive cruise control, rear collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, along with a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen subwoofer. Most from the fancier trims premium features are optional on lesser models. All SLs meet the criteria for a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot and a lot of interior upholstery and trim upgrades. AMG models could be outfitted with carbon ceramic brakes and carbon fiber exterior trim. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S within this review depend on our full test from the 2015 Mercedes-Benz SL-63 AMG Turbo 5.5 litres V8, 7-speed automatic, RWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the actual SL-Class has brought some revisions, but our findings remain applicable to the present year's SL-Class. The SL-Class is slightly synthetic handling but extremely capable. Mid-corner bumps don't throw it well too badly. It's equal parts boulevardier and sports vehicle, determined by your whims. Expect mega power, surprising grip, powerful brakes and pleasantness. Acceleration. The V8 has tremendous power. It accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds in this testing. Huge reserves of thrust at any RPM. Braking. These carbon ceramic brakes have terrific stopping power and plenty of heat capacity. Modulation is often a bit touchy at light pedal pressure when cold. The pedal is firm. 60 miles per hour to 0 in 108 feet with little or no nosedive or drama. Steering. The appropriately quick steering develops some feel in harder driving. The build-up of effort in all fairness intuitive. Overall, the steering doesn't draw attention to itself, for better or worse. Handling. The SL-Class is made up thanks to the active body control system. It is sure-footed on winding roads and has now heaps of grip. This can be a heavy car that works well, surprisingly well at speed. Drivability. Departures from your standstill are graceful anytime. Upshifts are smooth, but scaling down can sometimes be jerky, caused by transmission downshifting. The manual mode may be more responsive. Comfort. It is almost as comfortable, which is fast, that is no small feat. Higher refinement levels and intensely versatile seats get this roadster easily able to long trips. Fears more noise originating from your low-profile tires than you would possibly expect. Seat comfort. The SL-Class has highly configurable seats offering heating, cooling and massage. They even blow heat on your neck. Lateral support could possibly be better given this car's grip. Ride comfort. The ride is just not obtrusive, yet it's punctuated by tire noise. It's for the appropriately firm side yet not harsh, plus it doesn't come unglued on rough surfaces. Noise and vibration. Road noise of these claims caused black mark. The short sidewall tires smack loudly against pavement, which enables it to thrum occasionally, determined by the road texture. The convertible top creaks occasionally. Levels of wind and engine noise are minimal. Interior. The well-laid-out cabin gives a surprising number of room along with very easy entry and exit. The convertible top earns high marks due to the quick, quiet and low-foot stowage. It does, however, compromise the cargo area. Is beneficial. The cabin is intuitively outlined. The climate control knobs for temperature are big. The buttons for other functions are small. Acquiring it jetting out. A low step over plus a reasonable sill width facilitate getting back in and out with the SL-Class gracefully. Visibility. There within reason good visibility taking into consideration the high rear deck and moderately wide rear pillars. The beltline and cowl will not be too obtrusive, which facilitates the forward view. Quality. The cabin design is handsome as opposed to adventurous. Aside from your artistic touches within the seats, the cabin shows restraint. Build quality is outstanding, and however the cabin controls are typically parts bin pieces, they work efficiently. Utility. The trunk is compromised from the need to stow the rooftop. There is a deployable shelf to separate your lives out your cargo. Otherwise, it is just a large trunk, then there is enough cabin storage to become practical. The bonus space behind the seats helps a good deal. Technology. Even in standard guise, the SL-Class comes having a Harman Kardon surround head unit, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Most advanced driver aids can be found.